Hi, it's Lois. Welcome to my 11th and final vlog aboard Regal Princess. I hope you enjoy. Well, hello, this is Lois from No Cruise Control, and let me show you about Disembarkation on Regal Princess. Spoiler alert, it was so organised. Very impressed. Morning. Disembarkation day. Sad face. Sad day. Disembarking Regal Princess. Nice sunny view in Southampton. Sunrise has not yet happened. So we're up bright and early. We have to be out of our cabin by 8:30. And our disembarkation time is 9:10. And as we're platinum guests, we are invited to wait for disembarkation time in the Vista Lounge. Present a medallion at the entrance. And it's open from 7:30. So we should be going there later and I will vlog what it's like inside. See you later. Here's the disembarkation information. I mean, it's the pretty generic cruise line one. There's nothing new. But now we are off for breakfast in Concerto Dining Room. Yum. Read in the warning, shepherd's warning, Satan's warning. Back in Southampton. Back on dry land for 4 weeks, and then off again.
Good, thank you. How are you?
Thank you very much.
Tea.
Tea, please. Thank you. And pineapple juice, please.
Pineapple?
Thank you very much.
Morning from Danish.
These cinnamon-soaked apples were a breakfast treat. Our last breakfast on Regal Princess. You can see Southampton out there. All the people getting off. And my last cruise breakfast, an omelette. Delicious. We like a nice leisurely breakfast on our last day. Disembarking a beautiful ship is always a sad day, but we'll be back soon. We've had our breakfast, I had a nice omelette, and now the sun is rising here in Southampton. It's risen behind the clouds. We're just going to chill for a little bit, brush our teeth, such like, and then off to the Vista Lounge, to the Priority Disembarkation Lounge. Yeah, should be nice. Look at the atmospheric mist. Like the container ships going out to like the mist on the Solent. What beautiful weather to return to. It makes returning a little less sad when it's beautiful weather. Oh, a little sunshine. There. Beautiful sunshine. This sunshine better stay around for 4 weeks to our next cruise. I'm so excited. But for now, onto the Vista Lounge to enjoy our priority disembarkation. A little bit of Britney Spears there. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning. The luggage is already in the terminal. You can disembark anytime now.
Oh,
Okay, cool. Do you want to take photos
I
of
will
it?
look here first, then we'll go.
coffee and tea.
I'm going to have a look at it. So, free coffee and tea in the Disembarkation Lounge for suite passengers, elite and platinum. But we've just been told our luggage is all in the terminal, so off we're going to go. Here's the lounge. Nice and quiet. So this is the Princess Live Lounge. Cafe. We didn't really go here. Which I probably should have. But we've got like a venue in there. And then the cafe. This way, please. Thank you. It was waving on my video. That's it. Back on dry land. All over for another month. And here's some fish. That's there. I was going to say, I'm sure yours wasn't blue. Now to go and find the car. The most luggage I've seen in here for a while. And you can see the COVID testing if you walk to the cruise. You don't drive here. You come in here and do the test. So it's a good use of space. So if you get a coach, your coaches are there, waiting. We are in our park. So if you come by car and want to park with CPS, this is where you'll drop off your car. And then the terminal is just there. And this is where taxis will drop you off as well. This is Ocean Terminal. And then if you're getting the coach down, there's Evesway, ready for you to take you home. And there's Regal Princess. Bye-bye for now. So this is where we get our keys for our car. Back. Key collection, lots of people, bags to the side, one person go gets the key. Usual routine. But it's very convenient. The silent views of Regal Princess. Fabulous cruise. And just a short little walk. And we can see our car over there. All by itself. That's the Midday. I hope he's enjoyed his holidays. Here we go. Back home. Check of his pride and joy. Here we are, and me with Regal Princess. Thanks for watching all my vlogs. As I've said many times, because I am so excited. On Iona very soon for 2 weeks, in 4 weeks' time. So there'll be more vlogs then. Hope you follow. Thank you. Thanks for watching my Regal Princess vlogs. There will be more Sky Princess vlogs in January when I'm aboard for 2 weeks in the Caribbean. But before that, there will be vlogs about my Canary cruise on Iona, which starts in about a week's time. The vlogs will come after these ones. Thanks for watching.